Hi, I'm Chef Carl. Welcome to my home.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Today we're going to be making fresh guacamole. I have a little twist on it, you'll see in a second. But this guacamole is good for all kind of parties. Everybody seems to love mine. I know it's not quite the authentic way that they make table size, but it's pretty close. So we're going to take a nice ripe avocado. I call these medium to large. You want to cut them. So they're halved. You twist them. And you take it. And that's how you get the pith out. Pith. So anyway, I got 4 avocados here. Bang, 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 bang. Already cut them. Look at that, how fast. If you feel uncomfortable using the heel of the knife, just use a spoon and they'll come out too. I have sanitizer and soapy water behind me, and I've sanitized the cutting board. I don't wear gloves because my hands break out, and when I'm chopping, I end up chopping pieces of glove into the food. You don't want latex in your food, I don't think. So now, we're just going to take this, take a teaspoon or a tablespoon, twist it. Now I know some people take a knife and they score avocado this way, but I'm going to mash it. I'm going to do the monster mash, avocado mash. And if you have too much avocado, you can make yourself a facial or something. Make sure you don't get the tip of the avocado. And always take the labels off any tomatoes or vegetables when you're chopping, because you don't want to have somebody go, oh, fiber. Now we have the avocado in the bowl. I want to do the mash. To do the monster mash. Just squish it up. See how nice and ripe this is? If you want it chunkier, leave it chunky. Okay, now, normally I put cilantro, onions, peppers like in salsa, but I happen to have some salsa we just made. So I'm going to take a couple tablespoons of my fresh homemade salsa. Now if you want more cilantro, you can do that. If you want a little more lime, my handy dandy lemon squeezer. The lemon and the cilantro is up to you. And this way you don't get the seeds. You can add more or less cilantro, lime, just depending how spicy you like it. If you like jalapenos, you can chop them in, but I'm going to put them in as a garnish. Now the one thing that I do that's unconventional, but I do it because it helps it from getting brown, is I put about a nice round spoon of sour cream in. I mix it in. You can hardly tell it's in there, but it keeps it creamy. Keeps it from turning brown. A couple of cranks of salt. Taste it before you put any more in, because you can always adjust it. little crank of pepper. Or if you'd like to try it.
Thank you, Carl.
Thank you. Alright, that's good. So we're going to present this you can make individual cups if you want to pretty it up a little bit. Put a little extra on the top. You can put a nice garnish, a little cilantro. And this is all optional how much cilantro and stuff you want. A little lemon. And I think, oh, of course you have to have some jalapeno. When you cut jalapeno, make sure you wash your hands or you're wearing gloves, because if you rub your eyes or you use the potty, you'll feel it. That's all I'm going to say. Wink, wink, wink. And there you go. So this is Chef Carl saying thank you for joining me. Let me know if there's something you want to see. Don't forget to leave a comment, and please subscribe. And in the future we're going to be doing beef Wellingtons. I got a cast iron pan that I'll be testing out and a smoker on the way. So thank you very much. Ciao, and I love you.